beyond the airport. Vanakkam. Now that you have arrived, let's explore how to interact with the heart of Tamil Nadu. Beyond the airport, knowing how to navigate local markets and historic temples will make your journey truly unforgettable. Bargaining with respect. Tamil. Vilai கொஞ்சம் kuraippeergala. In local markets, bargaining is common. Instead of just asking for a price, ask politely, can you reduce the price a little? Using polite Tamil often results in a better deal and a friendlier smile. Navigating the temple. Tamil Nadu is the land of temples. When visiting sites like the Thanjavur Big Temple, remember to ask, கோயில் எங்கே இருக்கு? Or where is the temple? Knowing the direction helps you appreciate the Chola architecture even more. Ordering local delicacies. Phrase, எனக்கு ஒரு காபி வேண்டும். You cannot visit without trying our famous filter coffee. Practice saying, I want one coffee, using வேண்டும் for I want is a systematic way to request anything you need during your travels. Understanding distance. Phrase, Evvalavu dhooram. Asking, how far is it? Is essential when walking through historic districts. It helps you manage your time and your energy, much like we manage our breath in Hatha Yoga practice. Taking an auto-rickshaw. Phrase, மீட்டருக்கு வருவீர்களா? When taking an auto, ask, will you come by the meter? This shows you are an informed traveler who understands the local system, earning your immediate respect from the driver. Identifying the basic needs. Phrase, தண்ணீர் எங்கே கிடைக்கும்? Staying hydrated is key. Ask, where can I get water? This survival phrase ensures you stay healthy and refreshed throughout your daily excursions. Making cultural connections. Tamil people are known for their hospitality. If someone helps you, a sincere Mikka Nandri or thank you very much goes a long way. It bridges the gap between being a tourist and being a guest. Seeking assistance. Phrase, உதவி செய்ய முடியுமா? If you are lost or need guidance, ask, can you help me? Tamil Nadu is a safe and welcoming place, and locals are always happy to assist a traveler who makes an effort to speak their language. Your journey continues. Travel is the best teacher, but a systematic guide makes it easier. As a Preply Super Tutor, I can prepare you for your entire Indian journey. Book a one-on-one session with me today to speak Tamil with confidence. God class. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.